So let me show you how to pair and connect Nothing headphones to any smart TV. So you can actually pair these wirelessly via Bluetooth and use them to consume audio from your smart TV. Could be YouTube or Netflix, or maybe you're watching a movie or something, then you can use this. All right. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Bluetooth settings of your smart TV. Now for this particular Samsung, I'll just go to settings and then all settings, and then I'll go to connection, and then I'll go to Bluetooth devices. And it's going to start scanning for Bluetooth devices. Now, for my headphones to be found, I need to put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, you first need to identify the power buttons. So make sure they're on. If they're off, they look like this and they're orange. Okay. So when they're on, that's what they look like, white. Okay. So you're going to use this switch here. Now, once they're on, you need to put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. And you can do that by long pressing this button right here inside the right ear cup. Let me turn them like this. So inside the right ear cup, you can see that button there. So press and hold that button until that light starts blinking rapidly. Okay, like that. So that means in pairing mode. So now if you scroll under the available devices found by your TV, you should see your Nothing headphones. So you can see them there. So select and then select pair and connect. It might be a slightly different process depending on what smart TV you have. But for me, it's as simple as that. You can see the Nothing headphones are now connected. So now all I have to do now is put them on my ear and use them to consume any sound output from the TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.